Okay, so what you need is a fork with 4 prongs, some floss and some yarn. So what you do is you start off by wrapping your yarn around the fork, all 4 prongs, 20 times. And once you've got it wrapped around there like this, chop that off. Then take your floss and pop it through the middle bottom hole, bring it up and over into the middle one again. Then give that a tight knot in the middle. There we go. You'll have something like this. That can then be taken straight off the fork. And then what you do is just get some scissors and chop each side through the loops. Turn it round, grab the other side. There we go. Now, it will definitely need a haircut at this point. You'll need to cut off that floss. And in your hand, just give it a big roll. And there we go. You've got your pom-pom using a fork.